Mitsuya, building a future for everyone, leading the way to the future. At Mitsuya, we plate electronic parts in various industries: automobile, semiconductors, aerospace, robotics, wireless technologies. We are located in Japan. We have 4 factories and a research lab. Our head office and Gotemba factory is located in central Tokyo, about 30 minutes train ride from central Tokyo. Our next factory is in Hachioji, located about 1 hour away from central Tokyo. Our next factory is in Kofu, located in Yamanashi Prefecture. Our next factory is in Yonezawa, located in Yamagata Prefecture. This is in North Japan. Coming back to Tokyo, we have our research center, which is located in Setagaya. This is about 20 minutes from central Tokyo. We also have an English website. On our website, you can request an estimate or request further information about one of our plating technologies. Please feel free to call our offices to contact one of the members from our multilingual sales team.